it's Nay, and I'm back with another video with my client. Today we're doing an Auburn wig. Like y'all see her showing. Beauty Forever shop. She has locks, so we did an inverted braid. And then once I braided that down, I grabbed the Gots to Be gel right there. Slick her edges. You really don't have to put too much, and then put the blow dryer on it. On cool. And then I'll slick it right on back. I'm gonna talk this whole entire video because I just feel like I can give y'all the nitty gritty. So y'all seen I sprayed the holding spray and then I slicked it back with the cool air. HD caps are the go-to move at the moment. I was so happy when they created HD caps. If you don't know where to get them from Amazon. But did y'all just see that? Because she's a goofball, y'all. Look at her facial expressions. Yeah, I promise y'all I wasn't being I promise y'all I wasn't being rough. I wasn't. She had locks, so I had to force it to make sure it fit, you know? And her reactions was killing me. I had to slow it down. But I'm just making sure it fits like ear to ear. And see if any areas need to be plucked more than others. Or if I don't need to pluck it because of how the hairline created according to hers. So you really just have to check on, your client. Yes, I'm ripping it out the wig. It didn't cost no holes, but I don't really request this method you see me doing unless you know what you're doing, But that was just quicker for me because it was too much. It was too further down on her forehead, so I was trying to get rid of some of it before I pluck it. But you can use whatever glue that you use. In this video, I was using Boho Active. Apply it to the cap. It dries really clear. Well, your cap needs to dry clear before you cut it. Don't let it be white. Unless it's just going to pull back. It's not going to hold nothing. You feel me? Y'all already know how to do all this match skin color. I love to turn the ring light off. Y'all don't have to turn your ring light off. But that's something I personally like to do because in a human eye, I want to make sure it's as close to the skin tone as possible. And I feel like the ring light just be messing it up sometimes. Like, I swear it'd be on point until I get in that ring light. Well, as soon as that ring light is off, it's like, what the hell? But yeah, y'all, she been cracking me up, though. She have been cracking me up. But after this, she started chilling. But get your alcohol, cotton swab, put it on there. Goat glue, Damien Define, shop with her. Type it in Google. Also, she's on Instagram also. You can even type in goat glue on Instagram, it'll pop up. I've been using her glue for 2 years. Never had a problem. It clears amazing. Like, air dry. Real good hold on top of that. A real good hold. I would say it takes some use to get into using her product because she do have a clear version, and then she have the white glue, which is sensitive skin, and then she have the clear, the original goat glue. I like the white one now, the sensitive skin, because I don't know who's allergic to what, so I like that now. But y'all see me now. I'm pressing it in with the comb. Once it completely turned clear, I pressed it in within the comb. Make sure I'm getting it in. Pulling the hairline right on top of the glue. I'm pulling it as far as it can. And I want to make sure the hairline of the wig stops right on the glue. So it won't be too much lace, but sometimes you just have a lot of lace because that's just how the wig fit them. Yeah, get your handy dandy edge band, tie it down. I love these little scissors. They come in the little nail kits, but they sell them separate. I thought they was like doctor scissors, but come to find out, they like cuticle scissors or something. I like them better than a razor, so I won't be cutting nobody. And I can control it. Y'all see me batching it or whatever. Scalp piano. I hope y'all following. Make sure y'all hit the like button and y'all commenting while I'm talking because, yeah, I'm going to get back on here for y'all. It's just so much I gotta do. But oh, y'all see that method I'm doing right now? Yeah, I discovered that probably a week before I did her hair. It really gives that scalp appearance. Like, y'all need to try it. Apply it on top once you lay the wig. Because y'all know how y'all apply it at the bottom of the lace before you put it on. And I feel like sometimes it don't come through. So I've been doing that. I've been loving it. You know, it's been giving scalp for a lot of people. So yeah. Right now I'm just pulling out the baby hair part in what she wore. Her wig did have like a U part. I don't know what's up with these wig companies. Like lately, no one's getting a full 13x4 anymore. Everybody's getting like the U shape 13x4s, but you know the parting can go but so much. Burn them with the hot comb. No, I'm joking. Don't do that. But I do put my hot comb no less than 350. Because I don't know. I'm thinking about buying another one. Because I had this one for about a year now. But yeah. Make them hold the edges. They want them. Make them hold them. Oh shoot. And if y'all not following me on my social medias, go ahead and do so. On my Instagram, it's Nay with 2 A's Y Watson _. My TikTok is unique with 2 E's .Nay with 2 A's Y. Facebook, Nay Watson, Nay Watson. Follow there too. And of course, subscribe to YouTube. Like, what? Turn your notification bells on. And on top of that, like the video and comment. Talk to me, you know? So yes, y'all, I do use all these sprays. Recently I found I see they have the even lace melting spray. So I've been trying that. It's been doing pretty good now. Like, this is probably like 2 months ago when I filmed this, but it doesn't matter. But yes, at that point I was using all the sprays. It hold a lot of people wigs a lot longer than they expected. So what they came back and told me, you know. So if y'all do like that method, shoot for it. And the main reason why I did that, if y'all want to know, is because every time I turn my neck, there's another product out that everyone feels like work good. So I have all these different sprays and stuff on my shelf. At this point, it's like I might as well spray all of them, right? Cause that's what I'm thinking. Just spray all of them, shoot. But we decided to do wand curls because she didn't want nothing too tight, like something that can drop and look a little wavy. So we just shoot for the wand curls, cause you know that's pretty quick to like drop, give it a little nice little wave pattern. So y'all about to see me speed it on up, but holding spray and Tresemme holding spray is what I was using, and then the wand curler. And that's really all I was doing throughout her whole head. And I think I did the baby hairs next. Yeah, I did. So if you don't know how to if you don't know how to actually do curls, you can wrap it around the curler if y'all didn't know that. If you want wand curls. Or if you don't have a wand curler, you can do that to achieve your wand curls. Just use a holding spray. It holds it up a little longer. What else? That's about it. But y'all, I'm about to get back on YouTube for real. I'm like, I got to stop playing. Okay, I gotta stop playing and I gotta do it. I just got to. Look at it, scalp. I be trying to put y'all on. Y'all know y'all see it. Y'all know y'all see it. You know? Looking good. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Doing baby hairs is just not as easy as like they be making it seem. I don't care how many times I do hair. I'm gonna forever scream that because it's not that easy to me. And I always have to make sure I take my time when I do so, because a girl be struggling. I'm not gonna lie. I do be definitely struggling doing them little babies. And I be having to move slow. Like slow. So just take y'all time. When y'all apply the gel, also you don't have to just remember you don't have to use a whole lot of gel. Then that's gonna make it really hard to like sway it the way that you want it to be swayed. Cause if you don't, you'll be struggling. So just take your time. Soupy doop doop doop, just like that. But make sure y'all comment down content, anything you guys want to see. I'm gonna try my best to keep putting out content for y'all. It's not that easy for me to post consistently, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna start putting my I'm going to start putting my free time to use. Editing is just a lot. I'm sorry, I'm just fitting right now. But it's really a lot to YouTube, just itself. And like me personally, I'm gonna try my best to do what I gotta do and post for y'all. You know, I really am. But you know, we combed it out. Gave it a little loose. It still got a little pattern in it. She just didn't want too tight. You know, y'all feel slayed and giving scalp. Thank you for watching. See you next video.